Hi, this is Larry, Chesapeake RV Solutions. Got another new delivery for you today. This is an Forest River Rogue Armored. It is a 45-foot fifth wheel toy hauler. And boy, did they pull out all the stops with this one. It has a generator installed. Also, you got the pass-through with the D-rings. This is a 351 G2 Armored Rogue, a Rogue Armored, 6-point auto leveling. You do have an entrance to the garage area. You have the leash latch for your pets. This also has two awnings. One on the front side, one on the back. Coming on the inside of this Vengeance Rogue Armored, you do notice the black stainless steel sink with the faucet, real countertop, nice hutch area, plenty of counter space, residential refrigerator, blue LED lights. I like those hanging lights. You also have your entertainment center with the fireplace, of course. And you also have a set of recliners. And this also comes with the zebra blinds. Walking into the garage now, you'll notice an actual door here. It's a glass door so you can see what's going on. But also, you have a door in the back, kind of like your sliding glass door or compartment door. You do have the bunk over, and that's manual. Real easy to put up and down. You have the two Happy Jack couches. Your second AC. Speakers back here as well. And this is your loft, but you can actually get that out of the way, fold it up to have more room for your toys. They're actually the steps that come off the back of your party deck when it's set up that way. And it's a nice place to store them out of the way. Let's see. Half bath. Oh, this is actually a wet bath, but you do have a shower in here, which is always nice, especially in the garage area. Gives you a nice mud room. Clean up before you go see the rest of the world. It also has a camera in the back. Walking through the living area again. Your control panel. Walking up. USB ports galore. Another slide. King size bed. Wow, look at the storage in that closet. That is nice. And also, this is 6'5" height in the bedroom, believe it or not, in the bedroom. And looking through the bathroom real quick. Nice stainless steel sink. Wow. This is definitely a showstopper right here. In fact, this will be at the Virginia Beach RV show starting next weekend. And we'll be there. So if you don't have a chance to see this before we get it down to the show, please come down, check it out. Also here at Chesapeake RV Solutions, we're here to help you create the memories you'll talk about forever. Thank you.